I'm going to be showing you how to follow people on Etsy. So on Etsy, following is a bit different from social media like Instagram. You don't follow individual people in a social feed style. You mainly follow shops. So here's how it works. So what you need to do is make sure you're actually in the Etsy app. And once you're here, you need to go to shop or e-listing and open a product you like. So let's say you like this product right here. Just go ahead and tap there. Now all you need to do is click the shop name under the listing title. As you can see, it's right there. Just go ahead and tap here. And now you have the option to follow shop button. So as you can see, you have this option right here that says follow this shop. Just go ahead and tap here. And now you have successfully followed someone on Etsy. So that's how easy it is. So what happens when you follow a shop is you get updates from that shop. New products may appear in your Etsy feed. You can easily revisit their store. You can also follow from search results. Sometimes Etsy shows a small heart icon on shops or items, and by clicking on it, it adds shop or products to your favorites. So in this way, you can successfully follow people on Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.